phone and look for parks.
It's right here.
What park was
Well,
that?
can we get out? Can I get out?
No, stay.
Wait, isn't that it right there?
Where?
Look ahead. Look at it. There's no whatchamacallit, house over there.
No,
It's just
it's a house.
tell it.
It's a garage. We'll go by Covington. And when we're by Covington.
Alex,
Aren't we here? I should remember this house. I'm going. No, because to the left is to me.
Wait, the park's right there, isn't it?
That's what I just said. It's right there. Yeah, it's right there.
Motherfuckers know it's a house.
Okay, you gotta.
Jesse, back up.
I can't back up out of nowhere.
Yeah, you
I gotta go
can.
around.
Back up. No, you can back up.
No, I can't back up.
Back up.
Get a ticket.
No, you won't.
I'll just do it through.
My mom does it all the time.
There's some dudes in the truck right there.
Where? Jesse, just because you're the first time driver don't mean that. Okay, I'm going to go out, get out and walk. Who's going to get out with me?
Okay, let's go run together.
Okay, thank you. That means I got to get out.